Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now we'll be discussing about HTML list counting control. HTML list counting control. By default, an ordered list will start counting from 1. If you want to start counting from a specified number, like from a specific number, you can use the start attribute. That is, you can use inside your OL tag, you can use your start attribute along with the place you want to start, you want to begin your counting. Quickly, let's get back to our document to see what we have and to show you guys how it works. This is what we are having in our previous tutorial. If you don't know how we got here, you can check our previous tutorial on it. And also, sorry, this is what we are having in our previous tutorial. As you can see, this is what we are having in our previous tutorial. You can check our previous tutorial if you don't know how we got here. So right now, this is what we are going to have here right now. Instead of having type, right, we want to delete this type and save our document. You can see, let's say we are having this in our previous tutorial. Again, you can check our ordered list in our HTML list playlist. You can check our playlist, you can find all this, so you can be able to understand it deeply. So right now we are going to use start. When we use the start, let's say we want to start from 50, we are going to see, instead of start counting from 1, we are going to begin from 50. Can you see? 50, 51 till our element finished. Can you see? It count our elements completely. Let's say for instance now, let's reduce our element a little. We reduce it, we delete some. Can you see? I've deleted some. So now let's reload our document. Can you see? Definitely we're having like 10. We're having like 9. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're having 9. Let's remove more. Let's remove 2 again. So you can see this 50, 57, 58 we remove. Can you see? They removed. Can you see? So we can start counting from, even we can start counting from 155. You are going to see what will happen. Can you see? We start counting from 155 and we can start counting from, let's say, 100 and let's say 1 million. Let's begin from 1 million. Let's see what will happen. Maybe can you see? Can you see? The 1 million already shows up is changed to the upper side, is shifted to the upper side. So let's now say let's say we reduce it. Let's reduce it. Definitely, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't reach 1 million. The counting doesn't reach 1 million, as you can see. The only reach 100,000s. I think. Let's say let's remove it a bit so we can see something to work with. As you can see, the one is counting right here now. So it's just like, I think like 10,000. You can specify value reach 10,000, or let's say 90,000, maybe 90,000. Yes, we can reach up to 90,000 with it, but we cannot reach, let's say, 11,000. No, 100. As you can see, this one doesn't work. This is 110,000. So I don't want you to go anywhere beyond 90,000. As you can see, let's see how it looks. As you can see how it looks. So we can count. It depends on what we want to do. We can use this, but if you don't want to use it, there is another option also, but we are going to talk about that in our advanced tutorial. So this is what I want to show you guys today. Let's say for instance now, we want to start from 44. You are going to see it will begin from 44. As you can see, anyway we want to start from, let's say we want to start from 1. It begin from 1. Let's say we want to start from 6, from 3. As you can see. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much.